Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to save a search on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're searching for the same item over and over again on eBay. How do you actually go ahead about saving that search for future uses? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you're going to open up the eBay app, and then we're going to search for something first. So we're going to search for a random search terms, let's say Japanese Pokemon card 36. In order to save this search, all you have to do is click on the heart icon located next to the search bar. So it's this icon here. Once you've done that, you're going to see a prompt here where this is your search term that you're going to save. And whether or not you want to get alerts for anything new, you can just toggle these on and off and then click on confirm. Now once we click on my eBay, you can click on saved and you can click on Japanese Pokemon card 36, and there you have it. You've now saved a search on eBay. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and save a search on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.